You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x greater than 5/3 greater than 12/3. Let's solve it step by step. Group all x terms on the left side of the inequality. Subtract 3x from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 3 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 3. Simplify the fraction. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x greater than 5/3 greater than 12/3.